As a pioneer and leader in the embedded market, Advantech's close partner relationships have moved the world forward for over 30 years. We solve our customers' challenges with our integrated design-to-order services, offering bespoke technology products to meet specific application requirements. Advantech offers extensive experience across healthcare, point of sale, surveillance, logistics, gaming, digital signage, and more. Well established in the IPC domain, Advantech's DTOS team brings ideas to life. We can customize every detail and offer unmatched flexibility at a manufacturing level, backed up with global technical and logistics support. We begin the journey with in-country vertical expertise. Consulting with the client, we assess requirements, develop specifications, and produce your draft architecture. The process continues at our centralized European DTOS Project Management Center in Germering. Advantech's relationship with the regulators means we make sure the time to market for each product is kept as brief as possible. We have over 25 project managers across Europe offering a pragmatic, high-efficiency workflow that can support even the most complex DTOS projects. This includes industry-leading QA and validation, mitigating risk and solving any issues in real time. Our integrated product lifecycle manager system offers detailed information for every element in the project lifecycle, from design and development, prototype and pilot, launch and ramp, to service and support, and phase out and disposal. In-country localized design with constant communication, ensuring enhancement and evolution of your ideas. Layout circuits are provided to you on real PCB. Rigorous testing ensures complete reliability of every product we deliver. Our modular design infrastructure, safety, EMC, and testing regime includes ESD, vibration and drop testing, as well as temperature, humidity, and halt chambers. Advantech holds more complete ISO certifications than any other IPC manufacturer in the industry, offering unparalleled commitment to worldwide regulation and standards compliance. With a comprehensive product range, customer-centric design service, and an extensive global network, Advantech is designed to develop more reliable and more innovative embedded solutions at unmatched value. With operations in 95 major cities across the globe, along with over 8,000 solutions experts, Advantech helps companies reach their goals faster. Advantech DTOS, local expertise on a global scale.